And we're going to be having some fun, that is for sure. All right, airfield clear, and boys are ready to jump, giving the go. Here comes Chuckie Norris, ladies and gentlemen. Looking for the clip hanger, thinking, no, maybe I'm not ready on that one. He'll come back at it though for sure, we can guarantee that. We got lots to see here, lots to jump. Huge. One-handed sneak grab there from a Joel Brown. Incredible stuff getting Indy at the end. These guys always throwing in a little bit of style, a little bit of flair to make sure they put that big show for you guys. Here he comes. Massive backflip from Chuckie Norris. Let's hear it, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together. That's it. That's all I want to hear. That's what gets the boys cheered up. I'll tell you what. You guys are having fun out here today. Here comes Joel Brown. Matching it with a nice, huge 80-foot backflip. Let's hear it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's make some noise for the freestyle motocross riders. Yeah. All right, here comes Chuckie Norris. Heart attack, ladies and gentlemen, and going off rock solid off that bike there. And let's go, holding on to the seat and getting the rock solid trick. On the second both ways sideways, here comes Joel Brown. Upside, down, can max. Insane stuff from all of these riders. I'll tell you what, these guys are going off, having some fun. We'll be having a chat to them shortly. They are pumped up, that is for sure. Here he comes, Chuckie Norris. No-handed backflip. Let's hear it for him, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for your local boy, Chuckie Norris. Yeah, and a huge backflip from Joel Brown. These guys have one more time. Chuckie Norris and Joel Brown.
Tell you a lot more about Pete and that particular aircraft when he comes back, but give him a big wave as he takes the mighty Mustang down to the end of the runway to start doing his engine runs and warm. Coming back to give us another pass.
Now, are these three Technums the P?
Castle, we're based with Cessna.
That's right, mate. They're available for flight training and private hire out at Recreational Aviation Newcastle, largest producer of both general aviation and light sport aircraft. And it was also a very special year for them because it was their 65th birthday. It certainly does, mate. And they've got a little bit more room in the Sierra than you do in the Cessna Technums. And he's Recreational Aviation Australia pilot examiner. He used to be as RAAF fitter with number 77 Squadron, having served at Edinburgh, Wagga, Sale, Butterworth, Williamtown and Darwin. Generating about 1,500 horsepower going down the runway. To be there when they're taking the sound. Still overhead Mustang, one of the Technums has had to go around. They were doing a formation landing, didn't quite have the space that he wanted, so he did what most pilots do. If the landing is not perfect, put the power in, go around, come back and land. I've done quite a few of go around. Absolutely beautiful pass. And as he turns to come back to us, and pretty challenging to keep that looking so good and so easy. So it takes a lot of effort to fly formation. Roll to the left, looking above. Kilometres an hour, but they can do higher G levels than what they're showing today. But we take it easy. These aircraft will last a long time, won't they, mate?
Yeah, they sure will. And I tell you what, even for a design that's well. Oh, such a beautiful sound. A beautiful sight too.
that's what happens when you finish up back as a reservist. You can get a bit of a rank reduction. But Pete's now flying too far with the Mustang with half and more confidence. And yeah, my control's feeling the Mustang tells me. Speed coming in from the right. I've spoken to a number of pilots who have flown both the Mustang and the Spitfire, and some like the Spitfire for its nimble performance, others the Mustang for its Cadillac-like feel. Most of us are just jealous as all heck that these guys are flying them. We wish we could be doing it ourselves. But just to really ramp up the jealousy, Pete was telling me the other day about he's the pilot of the newly restored F4U Corsair. Beautiful landing there from Pete. Making it look nice and easy. Folks, as Roulette as he comes through, we're about to have a solo performance with Roulette. Give us a show, but everyone give Pete a big wave. Packard Merlin popping there as he comes through. Give him a big wave as he comes through. He's focusing on the end of the runway, making sure he stays nice and straight in the crosswind. Beautiful display of an amazing aircraft from a very talented pilot.